Hi everyone, this is Mira here from Me and My Journal. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing of some things from Leela's journal. I'm super excited for this. I saw her journals months and months ago and really liked them, but didn't think I had any need for another journal. But since I decided to start reading more this year, I thought I would start a reading journal, and one of Leela's journals that I saw just looked like absolutely perfect for a reading journal, so I gave in to the temptation and didn't order. And then a week after I placed my order, I saw she was doing a sale for her birthday, so I added some sticker sheets as well. So there's quite a lot in this lovely box, and it's so pretty, butterflies. So yeah, let's get into it. How pretty is the packaging? So let's open the sticker sheets first. So these are freebies, tiny envelope and some tags. This window sticker. These were the coffee or tea stained butterflies, poetic words and phrases. Books and lace. I mean, these are just perfect for a reading journal. And all these illustrations are hand drawn by Leela herself. These are the washi clouds, and then some more butterflies. And more windows. And roses. Those are the sticker sheets, and then I think these were on sale. Those are the washi tapes. And then we've got this one. This is the white rose washi tape. So yeah, I think I'm going for like vintage bookish vibes in the journal. And then this is what I've been waiting for. Just like I knew it would be. Amazing embossed details. Gold gilding on the edges of the pages. It's B6 and I got the square grid. The pages are really thick, so it should be good for not having any bleeding or ghosting. I don't know if you can see, the grid is kind of like a beigey colour, which is quite nice rather than sort of like the cold grey. And we've got two ribbons, bow on the end of that ribbon. That's my order from Leela's Journals. I will be doing a full video of setting up my reading journal too, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.